Are you looking for a perfect digital board for your classroom on which you can write, draw, play 4K videos, and teach through your presentations or other documents? We heard you. This is a Study and Learn interactive flat panel. You can easily teach with this device in your classroom. With a large touchscreen, it works like a giant tablet. You can write on the screen, explain with the help of 2D, 3D shapes, create lines and angles. You can divide the interactive whiteboard into different parts and explain multiple concepts simultaneously. You can create tables to present any complex information in an easy way so your students can understand the concepts faster. Also, you can use mind maps to present your content so your students can understand and remember it properly. Through sticky notes, you can add notes to your lectures which will stick to the lesson. While writing on this panel, you will experience a lag-free, smooth and natural writing. You can erase it just like you would do on a traditional board. While teaching on this interactive whiteboard, you can also integrate images from the browser like this and enhance your lessons. You can also write on this board and convert it into a text. It also has shape recognition, so you can draw any shape loosely and it will automatically recognize the shape and draw it accurately for you. Now, while teaching, if this canvas gets full, you can use the preview option here and make space for the new content. Or alternatively, you can add some more pages to this document. Now, if you want to change the color of this interactive whiteboard here, you need to go to the menu option, then go to the theme option. Here you will find multiple templates and background available for you. Let us explore some template options. Now let us explore some background color options. So here there are multiple colors available for you. You can convert this interactive whiteboard into a blackboard, or you can convert this into a whiteboard. So there are multiple options available for you to customize this interactive whiteboard. Now let us explore the pen tool. So here you can see there are multiple types of pen options available. You can increase and decrease the thickness of the pen. You can also change the color of your pen. Now let us explore the magic pen tool. So with the magic pen, you can draw any bizarre thing and it will suggest you drawings related to the image that you have just drawn. So here it is suggesting something close to a butterfly. Now let us draw something close to a cup. So here you can see it is suggesting many types of cup. So with this tool, it is very easy for you to draw. If you want to save this document and share it with your students, you can easily do so. Also, you can save this and export this in multiple formats such as image format, PDF format and multiple other formats. Now, there are multiple other tools that you can make use of in your classroom, such as the timer option and the stopwatch option here. You can put up a question on the board and ask your students to solve it in a given time. For example, you can start the timer option here. This way, you can easily engage your students in the class. You also have the grid tool option here. You can easily teach your students how to write in a certain alignment. Whatever you will write on the grid tool, it will convert it into a text form. If you are using this panel for long hours, you can easily switch on the eye care mode to avoid the stress on your eyes. The interface of this interactive flat panel is very user-friendly and easy to use. This device supports multi-touch, which means multiple students can work together on this smart board. For example, they can solve questions together or do any other group activity. You can show educational videos on YouTube or show documentaries on Netflix to make your lessons more engaging and interesting. You can use the split screen feature in the panel and work on two different screens at the same time. On one side, you can explain on the board, and on the other side, you can show related images, videos, presentations, or any other document. So you can multitask easily on this panel. The best part about this panel is that you get integrated content from nursery to class 12th for all subjects. With this content, you can show 2D, 3D animated videos of multiple concepts on this panel, play educational games and quizzes, and make your lessons more engaging and fun for your students. If you want to connect your smartphone, desktop, laptop or any other device with the panel, you can easily do so with multiple ports available in the panel's front side and back side both. Here you can see first we have Type-C, then HDMI, then touch port, and then we have USB ports here. With these ports, you can easily connect your devices and transfer your files. Now, if you want to teach through your PDF, you just have to open it here and switch on the annotation mode. And now you can easily write, highlight, draw and take notes on the PDF here itself. You can save and share the annotation with the students as well. While presenting, you can zoom in and zoom out and highlight a particular section. Let's see how you can run a PPT in this device. So first you have to open your PPT here, get the remote that comes with this panel, and you can easily change its slides. If you want to annotate on the PPT, you can switch on the annotation mode and you can easily write, draw, highlight and explain in the PPT in your own way. You can also record your complete lectures with screen recording option available in the panel. Here you can also change the screen recording settings if you want. If you want to show something from your smartphone or laptop, you can do that with the screen share feature available in the panel. You can also crop any piece of the articles, browser or images and share it with your students. With the annotation mode, you can write directly on the screen, whether it's any web page, PPT or PDF. You can make real-life annotations. This panel is available in 55-inch, 65-inch, 75-inch and 86-inch. We will recommend a 75-inch panel as it is the most ideal fit for an average size classroom. Let's talk about the build quality of the panel. So the screen of this panel is made up of 4 mm thick toughened glass which protects it from any impact. The build quality of the panel is strong, durable and reliable, which makes it an ideal choice for classrooms. If you prefer to work on Windows applications, you can easily switch from Android to Windows. But to use Windows on the panel, you would require an OPS, which is an optional device. With OPS, you can boost the computing power of this device. You can select the OPS configuration that suits your needs. You can choose from i3, i5 or i7 processors in 10th, 11th or 12th generation. For memory, you can choose from 8GB, 16GB or 32GB. And for storage, you can choose from 256GB, 512GB, 1TB or 2TB. Let's see all the accessories that comes with the panel. So you get one power cable, one HDMI cable, styluses, remote, one touch cable and antennas. You can mount the panel on the wall of your classroom or take a movable stand just like this. This device also comes in various variants. You can choose from 4GB RAM with 32GB storage or 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. Or if you want to do video conferencing or online meetings, you can select a panel with camera and microphone. This panel comes with a 3-year on-site warranty, and in case of any issues with the panel, our support executives will come and offer support at your location. Study and Learn is a 12-year-old education company. With over 25 plus offices across India, we have an excellent network and brand presence. To know more, you can call on 89270 89270 or click on the link in the description and fill in your details.